Hi everyone, alam ko excited na kayong mag-licensure exam or maybe not, maybe scared. Hanggang ngayon, kinakabahan because it's gonna be your first time to take the licensure exam for teachers at hindi mo alam kung ano ang lalabas sa mga exam. But I hope that you will take heart and have faith that God will be with you on this journey. Nagawa mo na yung part mo, ilang buwan kang nag-aral, nagsumikap, nagpuyat para aralin yung mga konsepto na related sa professional education, yung mga information na kaya mong kabisahin para sa general education, at mga bagay na related sa iba't ibang subjects. Siguro nakabisa mo na, na-master mo na, nabasa mo na, but you know what? It's really impossible to study everything that may appear sa actual exam. So, ang encouragement ko para sa'yo is to hone your test-taking skill. Alam ko na marami ka nang naaral, pero kung maiba yung structure ng questions, make sure na alam mo kung paano pumili. Apply the elimination method. Wag na wag kang pipili ng sagot hanggat hindi ka pa until you're down to the last two possible answers. At i-eliminate nyo yung mga imposibleng maging sagot among the choices. Tapos, piliin nyo yung tingin nyo ay best between the last two choices na meron. And of course, may mga moments talaga it's really, usual or possible na may mga tanong na hindi nyo pa naaral in the past, ever. So, ano yung dapat nyo gawin sa panahon na yun? Make your best guess and mag-pray ka na the Lord will lead you to the right answer. Because this is a journey that you have with God, and He will be with you on the day of the exam. So, wag kang mangamba. God will be with you. Medyo nakakatampo siguro on the part of God na alam mong nandun siya pero hindi mo siya pinagtitiwalaan. And He is such a gracious God. He is a generous God na hindi niya ipagdadamot yung hinihiling ng puso mo. Is this your nth time to take the exam? Have faith that this will be your last exam, last take of the exam. And is this your first take? Of course, ayaw mo nang maulit yung exam na ito, diba? So have faith that this will be your first and last exam. Mayroong verse sa Bible that says, according to your faith, be done to you. So, sana ibigay ng Panginoon yung desire ng puso mo, and wala sanang anumang kasalanan na makakahadlang sa pagdinig ng iyong panalangin. When we have some sins in our hearts na hindi natin nasasettle sa harap ng Panginoon, hindi sasagutin ng Panginoon ang ating mga panalangin. So, as one of my pastors said, hindi siya actually pastor ng church namin, but visiting pastors dun sa church namin. He used to say something like this, keep a short account of sins. So, the moment na nagkamali ka, pagsisihan mo yun so that God will listen to your prayers, especially kung alam mo personally ang Panginoong Jesus bilang sarili mong tagapagligtas. You have a relationship with God. And sabi nga sa Bible, kung meron kang hihilingin sa pangalan ng Panginoon at kung ito ay aligned sa kalooban ng Panginoon, ibibigay yun ng Diyos. So, I hope and pray na this will be your last exam if this is your first time to take this exam. And if this is the nth time that you're taking the licensure exam for teachers, I hope and pray that the Lord will grant the desire of your heart and help you pass this time. So God bless you all. And if you have the means to send me a personal message, send me your full name. I will be more than willing to pray for you by name para sa nalalapit na exam. God hears our prayers. He's such a generous God. So, do your best. Congratulations soon to be LPTs.